Need to replace a c16-28w-1ff coil. Need a replacement model number.
Welcome. I will do my best to assist you with an answer. Extensive training and coaching is extra. Please tell me if that is okay with you. www.cozyparts.com. These are the best Lennox parts people in the business. Ask for their most experienced counterman. He can cross-reference the part to a suitable replacement in most cases on older systems. Tell me how that goes before you buy it. He will have questions for you that I can't answer efficiently from here. We keep going without a time limit from there.
Called them already. No cross-reference is available, unit is too old, they don't have data for it.
Thanks. We need to measure it up in that case, base of coil itself, and the coil cabinet dimensions, L, W, and height. Tell me if it's a heat pump system or straight cooling, and the model number of the outside unit. We can go from there.
HS14411V6P outside unit. L. W. H-19.5 by 19.5 by 16. Sitting on a G26Q3/4104.
Hello again, that is a 3-ton rated cooling coil with a Sporlan R22, externally equalized expansion valve. You will have to buy that separately. Or .A coil that uses a restrictor piston. Look these over, see page Ford SOP 3636C6. That coil with cabinet 12th down the list. I have to make sure it will work with R22 and verify the orifice size. This will generally be the least expensive, but not the best. We can begin here, however. Under $500 with coil cabinet.
So any R22 coil that will fit the dimensions or that can be made to fit?
Not just any coil, the one I specified will be within half an inch odd. It will fit if you can go 5 inches taller. It comes with a new coil cabinet. Yours is too short.
I have no cabinet. Just field plenum.
Cut the plenum off to allow the new taller coil if there is room for that. Let me know, we can go from there.
Looks like we have a solution.
Good. I need to check refrigerant compatibility and piston orifice size. Get back to me in an hour, so don't lose you, please.
Okay.
Give me another hour, please. Respond to this note only then. It's programming glitch. I should have done the research by then.
Responding after 1 hour.
Hello again. Buy this expansion valve kit #XV1836C to go with. Look these over, see page Ford SOP 3636C6. Let me know if you understand all that.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.